Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more numerical problems on quadratic equations. See here, find the roots of the QE. One quadratic equation given, not in the standard form. We should find out the roots, but by using a formula, direct formula method. Now, the sum is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Now we should convert it to standard form. That means here we should do LCM. LCM generally means suppose two numerical numbers are there is no common multiples or common factors, then we should multiply for LCM. So same way we don't know these values, so we should multiply. So because these are variables, this is only LCM, you multiply both. Now x plus 1 in this x minus 7 are divisible, so that's why 1 into x minus 7 minus here also 1 into x minus and x minus cancel, that means divisible this many times, 1 into x plus 4, that is equal to 11 by 30. Okay, now with 1 means same, 1 into x 1 x 1 into 7 1 minus x minus 4 minus 4 by, we should multiply first with x next with 4. So x into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7. This is 11 by 30. Now plus x minus x cancel. Both are minus means we should add minus 11. X into x, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus 4 7s are 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Now cross multiplication. So 11 into x square, this is you can simplify. Minus is more, so minus 3x minus 28 is equal to, here we multiplied here, now we multiply here, minus 11 into 30. Both sides is multiplying with the same means in the equation both sides we can multiply, we can divide. So by dividing with 11 both sides, so cancel. To simplify, so remaining are x square minus 3x minus 28, this is minus 30, minus is there, 11 only cancelled, minus 30 come to this side, plus 30 is equal to 0. So x square minus 3x, this is plus 2 only, is equal to 0. Now this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 2. Now directly for x is equal to, we can minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac under root whole by 2a. Now we can write minus b minus of minus 3 plus or minus b minus 3 whole square 4 into a is equal to 1 into c is equal to 2. This is under root whole by 2 into a is 1. So minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square is plus, 3 square is 9 minus 2, 4 2s are 8 minus 8 root by 2 1s are 2. This is 3 plus or minus root 1 by 2 because 9 minus 8 is 1. So we know for root of 1 is 1 by 2. That means 3 plus 1 by 2 or 1 time plus 1 time minus you take 3 minus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2 or 2 by 2. This is 2, this is 1. Therefore 2 comma 1. The roots of the QE is what? 2 comma 1. So these are the roots of the QE. Now see, a motorboat whose speed is 18 kmph in still water, it takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. That means suppose here in the river in water is traveling with boat. So suppose the current of the stream is this direction. So now if the boat is moving like this, this is upstream, this is downstream. For upstream, he went how much? 24 kilometers. The distance traveled is 24 kilometers. 24 kilometers. It is having some velocity. The water flow of water is some velocity. That only is asking. Now, what is the question means? For going to upstream, he reached to 24 kilometers. For 24 kilometers upstream, how much time he took? He 1 hour more to go to downstream. That means return. Suppose moving up is upstream, then return is downstream. Return is in upstream, he took 1 hour more, because upstream means what? The velocity will decrease in opposite direction. Upstream means what? The current is flowing in this direction, the movement of the water in this direction. That's why the velocity reduced by x. So that time he will go very slowly. That's why he took 1 hour more to travel downstream. That means what? The difference in upstream time, downstream time is 1 hour. That is the concept. So we should calculate the time taken to upstream and downstream. The difference we will make it to 1, equal to 1. Then we will get. So that's why first let the speed of the stream is equal to x kmph. Speed of the stream is x kmph. Speed of the boat given is speed of the boat is 18 kmph, kilometers per hour. Kmph means kilometers per hour. That's why speed of the boat in upstream. Speed of the boat in upstream means what? Means what? Opposite direction. So its velocity is 18, but it will reduce to x. Current velocity is x kmph. So this much velocity in upstream. So speed of the boat in downstream, when he is returned downstream, because so his direction and current direction in the same, that's why it is plus. That is the velocities. Now distance traveled in upstream first upstream is equal to 24 kilometers. Distance traveled upstream 24 kilometers he gave. Speed, with which speed? Upstream speed is 18 minus x. Therefore time taken by upstream, that is t is equal to d by s, that is 24 by s is 18 minus x hours. Okay. Now because kmph, that's hours. Same way distance traveled in downstream, 24 kilometers. So speed in downstream is 18 plus x. Now time taken in downstream, t is equal to d by s only. Here 24 distance, s is x plus 18 plus x, HRS. So now according to given condition, according to given condition, the difference in upstream to downstream is equal to 1 hour. He gave 1 hour. So upstream is what? Upstream only will take more time. So upstream is 24 by 18 minus x. Difference minus downstream is 24 by 18 plus x. This is one given. So time taken for upstream time taken for downstream. This difference is 1 hour more it took for upstream because of the velocity of current. So that is difference 1 we get it. Now direct quadratic equation we can solve for. So LCM is 18 minus x, 18 plus x. So 24 into minus cancelling plus 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. This is 24 18s you multiply. 8 4s are 32 3, 10 plus 3 13, 1 4 1 2. 18 into 24, 8 4s are 32 3, 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19, 1 4 4 1 2 2, 2 3 4 432 plus 24 into x 24x minus 8 15 same 432 minus into minus plus 24x all by here no need to multiply all because a minus b into a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 18 square minus x square we can write. Now here plus 432 minus 432, both these two are plus only, so 48x by 18 18s you multiply. So this is 324 minus x square, this is 1 only, so 1 by 1 by cross multiplication minus x square plus 324 is equal to 48x. So minus x square, this come to this side, minus 48x, this is same 324 is equal to 0. We don't want minus, this means you can change, totally change. So 48x, this is minus 324 is equal to 0. Now with factors we will divide, see. Plus minus minus. So 1 into 324 is 334 only, 1 into. Minus came. Minus means by subtracting we should get 48. So I told trick, easy method. So divide with 2. 16 2. Divide, multiply with 2 2. Now difference no. Again divide with 2. 81. Multiply with 2 4. No. Now 3. With 3 you divide. 3 2s are 6. 2 21. 3 7s. With 3 only multiply 12. Difference you want? No. Difference 48 should come. So with 2 you divide 6. With 2 you multiply 54. Now see difference 48. So like that. So that way, that only I told. One time you divide, one time you multiply. So factors will change. So in this suitable factors you can take. This is suitable because minus by subtracting we should get this one. 54 minus 6 is 48. So we can split it as 54 plus 54x minus 6x minus 324 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 54 minus 6 common, x plus 54 because minus and plus minus 0, x plus 54 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now see, so therefore x plus 54 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. By this x is equal to minus 54 or x is equal to plus 6. Because this is velocity, there is no chance to minus. So plus only take. Therefore x value is 6. That means x means what? Speed of the stream. So speed of the stream is equal to 6 kmph. So I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.